When it comes to mobile wallets, two big players dominate: Google Wallet and Samsung Wallet. Both promise fast, secure payments and a place to store your essentials, but they are built for different users. Google Wallet is designed for universality. It works across most Android devices, lets you tap to pay anywhere, Google Pay is accepted, and even securely stores cards, passes, and tickets. It is backed by Google's industry leading fraud detection and privacy controls, making it simple and reliable no matter what phone you use. And so, Samsung Wallet, on the other hand, is built specifically for Galaxy users. It combines Samsung Pay with extras like loyalty cards, boarding passes, and even digital car and home keys. Security is powered by Samsung Knox with fingerprint recognition and encrypted data. It also integrates with Galaxy Watches and smart things, giving Samsung users a deeper ecosystem experience. So, if we compare it side by side, Google Wallet wins for compatibility and Samsung Wallet wins for Galaxy power users.